Hi, my name's Olive, and today this is my mummy, and today we're making Alfredo sauce.
Yes, we are. We're making Alfredo sauce without the heart attack. And we made cheese sauce last time, and it was with potatoes, and this is the same type of thing. So it's boiled potatoes, 2 boiled potatoes, and 1 whole onion. And we've already boiled it just to make it quicker. And all you need is a blender, and I'm gonna take this, Olive, so I'm not stretching over you. And I'm gonna put the boiled potatoes, boiled onion in the blender, 1 cup of milk. This is what's gonna make it creamy, but the milk I use is motherless milk. So any milk you have that doesn't have a mother. Almond, soy, any other milk, this is what's gonna make it creamy. And 1/2 cup of cashews, or 3/4 of a cup, depending on how thick you want it. Olive's eaten all the cashews, so we probably only have 1/2 cup left. And I use, just to make it Italian herbs. Mixed Italian herbs. It's 2 tablespoons. No, teaspoons actually, teaspoons. If you really like them, put 2 tablespoons, but we don't like them all that much. And I'm just gonna put 1 teaspoon. What, you wanna put that in there for me? Okay. 1 teaspoon of salt. And maybe some cracked pepper. You're gonna help with the cracked, good work. Thank you for helping me. Okay, so we'll put the blender up here. Do you mind if I reach over? All right, are you ready? Just wait a sec, don't put it on yet because it'll go everywhere. Oh, okay, now start blending. We might need to add a little bit more water, so just to water it down depending on how thick it's gonna be. So let's go. So you could probably hear that it's actually struggling a little bit, which means it might need a little bit more water just to make it runnier. So we'll just add some water. 2. Whoa. Okay, go. You can go. Okay, can you turn it off for us? So I've been blending for just about a minute, and let's look at the consistency. Oh, that's perfect. Do you want to have a taste of that? No, okay, I'll put it in the pasta.
And
so can you see the consistency? Yes, you can.
Oh, no.
So we'll put the pasta bowl here. Okay, ready? So I've just cooked up some gluten-free pasta. You can use any pasta you like. And the Alfredo sauce on top. This sauce is seriously divine and tastes like the real deal. Please, if you try it, can you let us know what you think? Put all your comments on our social media. See you next time.
It's my turn. And it's yummy.
It is yummy.